Good morning, Eileen. Johnson Middle School. Today I'm coming to you from the facts room because I'm going to bake something for you guys today. So we're going to start off. Let's see. Let me get some ingredients because, you can't bake without ingredients. Let's start with a little he said, she said. Ooh, that's good. How about, she looked at me and he looked at me weird too. Ooh, a little something from the rumor mill. That's perfect. I'm just going to make something up. Throw that in there. How about, they were laughing. I don't know what they're laughing about, but they're laughing, so it had to be about me. How about, they sent a text to me back in 4th grade that I'm still mad about. Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh, how about this is one of my favorite ingredients. I don't know what's going on. I just want to be involved, so I'm going to say something. All right, I'm just going to stir my pot. Ooh, yeah. Stirring it up. Ooh. Yeah, that's starting to get good. Yep, a little extra stir of the pot. All right, so let's take our ingredients. We're gonna put them on a pan for the day. Ooh, yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, wants to stay in there. Okay, make sure it's kind of spread out. Nice. All right, we'll be back with the final product in just a moment. All right, we're back. There's my pot. It's all been stirred and emptied out now, and let's see what we came up with. Oh, just like I thought. A big old pan of trouble. I put in there for the length of about, one lunch period. That's usually long enough for all that stuff to brew. A big old pan of trouble. So guys, if you see things that are going on and there's problems, talk to a staff member. Let someone know about it. Now you may say, hey, nothing's happening because it's still continuing. Well, you don't know that something didn't happen. You don't know if there wasn't a detention or a suspension. You don't know what the conference with the student and the parents was all about because that's private matters. But if it continues, let us know and we'll take it up to the next level of discipline policy that we have. Remember, a big part of our PRIDE acronym is respect. Respect for self and others. So if things are going on, let somebody know and we want to help put a stop to it. Remember, treat people kindly, treat people the way that you want to be treated. Thanks a lot and have a great day.